So hi everyone, my name is Vikas. So I am an investment banker. Okay, so I hold over 12 years of experience working in the investment banking. Okay, so today I'm making this short video for all of those like who are looking to build their career in the field of investment banking and financial modeling. Okay, so this video will also be relevant for those like who are looking to switch their field into investment banking and currently they are basically working in the other fields. Okay, so in this short video, so I'm going to talk about what are the different skill set which is required to get excelled in this field. Okay, so what are the different kind of prerequisites to be eligible for any financial modeling or investment banking job opportunity. So then at last, so I will review one of the best financial modeling course, which is basically available online. Okay. So now I'm just starting with point number one, where we are going to discuss about the skill set which is required to get excel in this particular field. Okay. So you should have a good conceptual knowledge about the basics of finance, accounting, time value of money. So you should understand the different kind of financial statement, like we have three major financial statement like the P&L, balance sheet, and the cash flow. You should know how these statements are interlinked with each other. Then you should have a basics to advanced Excel proficiency. You should know about like how to work on different kind of models like the DCF, LBO, M&A. Okay, so then forecasting techniques. So you should know how the revenue of the company is being driven, what are the different kind of costs associated with the business. So then only you will be able to forecast the financial of a company. Okay, so then the financial modeling is not just about the numbers or just preparing a model. So how you're presenting your data with the help of charts and with the help of storytelling, so that really matters a lot. Okay, so that data presentation is also a very important skill set that you might be requiring for entering into this particular field. Okay, so now we'll be moving to point number two, where we are just discussing about what are the prerequisites, the kind of requirement which these recruitment firm or the investment banking firm looks within a candidate when they are basically hiring for any investment banking or financial modeling opportunity. Okay, the first one is basically about your academic background. Okay, so what academic background you are coming from. Okay, so some big opportunities like if you are applying for any bulge bracket investment bank, so then they basically specifically look for any selected institute or selected university. So otherwise, like most of these job opportunities can be applied if you have a skill set which is required to get excel in this field. Okay, so then the second point is basically about the skill sets. You should have a basics to advanced Excel skills, financial analysis skill, and the problem solving skills. So then talking about the last but not the least, which is also very important point, so that is basically about the case studies and the aptitude test. Okay, so if they are fine with your academic background, so if you have the desired skill set, then they will be testing you basis some case studies and the aptitude test. In case you qualify for those, so then you'll be moving forward with the technical round. Okay, so this is the entire process like for getting selected into investment banking or any financial modeling opportunity. Okay, so now I'm going to review the financial modeling course offered by CFI Education. Okay, so if we look at the course features, comprehensive curriculum will be there, hands-on learning, industry relevant tools, networking opportunities that you'll be able to build in this particular program. So if we look at the additional feature of this particular program, so these are going to be the classroom training sessions, capstone project that you'll be doing as a part of this course, resume and interview preparation, final placements program. So then coming to the curriculum, so they are going to cover from MS Excel's training basics to advanced Excel, MS PowerPoint skills, financial statement analysis, business and financial modeling, DC evaluation, comparable company analysis, comparable transaction analysis, project finance and real estate modeling, company profile and pitch deck, sector models, statistics and reference materials, capstone projects, soft skill training and CV building, mock interviews. So all of these things are basically covered in this course from the curriculum part. Okay. So if we look at the different versions under which this course can be taken, so there are two different kind of versions. So one is the self-paced version and the other one is the classroom or the live online version. So for the self-paced version, so you'll be paying a fee of 25,000 plus GST, and for the classroom and live online program, so you'll be paying a fee of 37,000 rupees. Okay, so let me see if they are covering any placement part in. So they are providing 100% placement support. But if you look into the placement support, so they are charging a placement fee of 5% of your annual fixed CTC. So after the completion of your course, if you got a CTC of about like 6 lakhs, 7 lakhs, so then 5% of that annual CTC you will be paying to CFI Education for their placement support. Okay, so then if we look at the internship support, if they are offering, so they have not mentioned anything about the internship support in this course. I'm going to rate this particular program basis these parameters. Okay, so you can just look at the parameters which are listed on the left. Okay, so if we talk about the course depth, so this is going to be a good course. Then Excel skills that you're going to learn in this course, so live sessions will be there. Live doubt session will also be there. Internship supports they are not going to offer. Placement support they are providing, but they are charging for it. For that reason, I'm just rating it as 0. So course fee will be good. Course duration will be good. Okay, so then money back guarantee is not available in this course. LMS access, so they have not specifically mentioned on their platform, and if that access is available, so that will be available for the limited time. So for that reason, I'm rating it as 0. So basically these parameters, so this course has scored 6 out of 10. Okay, so in case you are serious and in case you are interested in building your career in this particular field of investment banking and financial modeling, so then I can suggest a better financial modeling course which comes with like the complete package and which covers all the aspects of a financial modeling course which the other course doesn't offer. Okay, so I can provide the details related to that particular course in the description box, so you can just check out that course, and in case you need any further details from my end, or in case you want to dig in deeper and you need any kind of support from my end, so you can just ping me in the comment section, so I will revert to you as soon as possible. I hope you will like this video, and thanks for watching the video.